And we have made in fresh naan bread, chili naan, garlic naan, sweet rice, and veggie rice, plain rice, and korma masala, chicken tikka masala, and everything: veg biryani, chicken biryani, lamb biryani, and kofte kebab, mixed vegetable, okra, spinach, chana masala, and beef samosa, veg samosa, and chili bhaji, onion bhaji, and mini kebab roll, chicken tikka, and whole peri peri chicken, and everything is made fresh one and nice and lovely taste. You come in the shop, you try, and the good taste, fresh and nice, and grilled chicken, peri peri chicken kebab, lamb chop, chicken tikka masala, chicken jalfrezi, chicken achari, everything we make and fresh, and halim, nekhari, paya, everything is fresh one in the halal, in the UK Kwabi, totally round about.